guys, and welcome to Julia Vlog. So today I'm doing a video reviewing my camera that I got back. So I'm going to try to make this video short because the last video I posted was like 30 minutes long and I had to dumb it down to like 10 minutes. Yeah, so I'm going to try to keep this pretty short. So I said in my last video my camera had broke and I got it back. What happened was the lens cover alignment was just all over the place. It literally fell apart. Alright, so I got it back, and this is my vlogging camera, which is the G7X Mark II. I sent it to Canon. So the process was I first called Canon and I told them like my lens cover is like closing slowly, like it was just retracting too slowly when I would turn the camera on and off. And honestly, I think the things that was in my pocketbook was rubbing against the lens cover, and that's how it happened. First, he sent me an email with instructions, and I had to follow instruction. I had to go on the Canon website and fill out the information, register my camera for repair, which I had to put the serial number in and everything, and you know, just register the camera as mine, my address and things like that. Then they gave me a paper to print out, which I made a copy and sent it to them, and I also kept a copy because I want you guys to know that this camera is mine. Even though it's on your website and all, we need to make sure that we don't want any mishaps at all. So I sent that in there. I made a copy and sent it in there with that, as well as the receipt when I purchased the camera, which Canon give you a 1-year factory warranty. So pretty much if your camera act up within a 1 year purchase, then they will repair it for you. Water damage and other damages like that is excluded. But I bought this from Best Buy in Delaware because I went to Delaware because it was tax free, and I bought this in Best Buy, and they actually sell you a warranty, but I think it was like almost $300, so I was like, no. They didn't cover water damages, or I think if I dropped the camera, so I'm like, well, I'm basically paying $300 for 1 year, because even though you guys giving me 2 years, the Canon already give me, you know, a 1 year warranty, so I'm not paying $300 for 1 year warranty. So, if this camera would have acted up after a year, I probably really wish I would have paid that. But honestly, it probably only would have took about $150 to actually repair the lens cover, so I probably still wouldn't have got it. I don't know. Alright, so I'm doing too much talking. This is why my videos be too long. Alright, so I'm opening it, and they did inform me that they didn't repair my camera. They just swapped it out with a refurbished camera, and I'm about to check it out. So when I sent this camera, they told me to take out my battery and my memory card. So those were the things that I didn't have to send. I wasn't going to send my memory card regardless. You never know what I got on that memory card. But I'm opening it for the first time. And this is it. It's all a nice lead box. I'm not gonna put that in my bed because it's been all in the streets. Okay, so it's nicely boxed, and this is not the camera I sent. Like I mentioned before, this is a refurbished camera. So I will have to register this camera again as on my computer and stuff like that. Maybe, because you know, when you use Canon, you have to download the software. So I'm not sure if I have to re-register this on my computer. So, let's see. Wow, they gave me everything. So they gave me everything, even the instruction book again, which is pretty cool. Okay, you guys, so on this refurbished model, it does give me another warranty, but it's only for 3 months. So that is pretty cool. That's cool. So it is a 3-month warranty on this refurbished model that they sent me. They nicely packed it. It's all bubble wrapped up. And here is my refurbished camera. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what broke last time on my camera, this little retraction lens. You guys can see, this is the part that broke. They was all over the place. Looks like a whole new camera. Like my camera had little scratches on it and things like that. Little wear and tear, not major. They actually sent me a strap and a whole new battery. So I have 3 batteries now. Oh my gosh, they sent me a whole nother battery. And these batteries is like $50. $50. And I had bought another battery because, you know, with the G7X, the battery is just known to die fast. So I had bought a backup battery for my vlogging activity. And they actually, I don't know if they accidentally sent me or they just wanted to give it to me. They gave it to me. Oh my gosh, I have 3 freaking batteries. I could vlog to like a whole 3 days straight. I'm exaggerating, probably a day and a half. I could actually vlog like. And they gave me a strap. And I just like, I love to have my strap because I'd be so scared to drop this camera. And if you drop this camera, it voids the warranty. Like you have to get it repaired and pay. And this lens is like, if you drop this camera, it's like dropping your cell phone. You will crack the lens. So I'm about to turn it on. I'm not going to use the battery. I'm actually charged a battery already because I like to let my new batteries charge for about a day before using it, because I don't know if it's still true, but I heard when you don't let your battery charge for about 24 hours, it won't never charge full. Your battery would never charge fully. So I'm not sure if that's, I know like old cell phone models that was true, but I'm not sure if with these new batteries that's the way it works. Okay, you guys, Canon, like I'm freaking loving y'all. I'm freaking loving y'all right now. Like I might never buy another camera from anywhere else. Like Canon, y'all sent me another battery and a strap, a whole new battery, a whole new $50 battery. Like, do you know how excited that makes me? Like I have 3 freaking batteries now.
I got that juice. No AP. She got that juice. She got that squeeze.
Okay, so this is my time turning it. First time turning it on. And everything looks good. Oh my gosh. No problems. Vlogging mania. Hey y'all. It's the Black Queen. I don't have any memory. I gotta put my memory card in. But you guys, yo, this is like a whole new freaking camera. You my new baby, because you're definitely not my old baby. It's definitely something different about you. You my new baby. Okay, you guys, so I'm freaking, and they sent me a whole new charging dock. Oh my gosh, they sent me everything. They sent me everything as if I bought this camera again. They sent me the charger dock, they sent me the battery, the strap. Like I'm loving it. Like they sent me everything, the battery, the strap, the charging dock or outlet, whatever you want to call it. I'm just really excited with them. They sent me emails telling me to take a survey on their service, and I can not give them anything but a high 10 or 20, whatever they want to say. But they getting the best review from me ever, you guys. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I'm so excited, and I'm about to start vlogging again. Now I already was vlogging before, you guys, because I was using this camera, but it's so big, like, and you a big baby. Sometimes you just need a small baby. Alright, so I'm gonna put my strap on here. Like, I'm so excited. Like, they sent me all these freaking accessories. Sorry, you guys, I had to put it on. It was bugging me because I always carry my camera like this. I do not want to drop this baby. If you already know, I didn't mention it. But everything looks so good. Let's check the zoom. Okay. Everything looks You guys, to me, it's like a brand new camera. Canon is very a good, well-known camera company. Everything is never 100%, so I'm sure you can find some bad reviews on Canon. You will find some bad reviews because nothing is never 100%, especially when you got a bunch of people working for your company, and you never know when a person wanted to be lazy that day, when they didn't know what they was doing. But this camera company is A1 sauce. Yep. Shipping. So you guys, I sent this through UPS, and they actually give you a discount if you send it through UPS, which I don't know if I got the discount because I got my boyfriend to send it for me, but I asked him to send it express because I really wanted my camera back soon, just on the fact that I vlog a lot. Since I sent the camera to them, it didn't take longer than a week. Everything was fast. It was really fast, you guys. So A1 to Canon, you guys are bomb. Canon, you're bomb. I'm going to take the survey and I'm going to give you guys an awesome review because, and I didn't have to pay $1. Only thing I had to pay was for shipping. So they fixed my camera for free. Well, they sent me a refurbished camera for no cost because they didn't fix it. I mean, of course they're going to eventually fix it, but someone else going to get that camera. But they sent me a refurbished camera for $0, and the only money I had to pay was me shipping the camera to them. And it also, if you ship through UPS, you will get a discount. So shipping and the whole process, the whole experience was great. I don't have anything negative to say about it. Only thing I can tell you guys, just so you don't void out your warranty, don't try to fix the camera yourself. Don't get anyone to tamper with the camera. They will know if it was tampered with. Just send it in if something happened to your camera with it under your ear, besides water damage and drops or falls. Besides that, yeah, I mean, you still can send it to Canon, but you won't have to pay. Like, that voids the warranty. So bye, you guys, and I just wanted to inform you guys on that information. I love you guys, and see y'all.